made $500,000 plus just from SMS and email marketing. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how you can do the same for your brand and get this type of numbers using SMS and email marketing. A lot of people don't know how email and SMS marketing is really fucking goated. Like, SMS marketing is an asset for a brand that people don't know and people neglect. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to send out SMS and how to set up SMS to make crazy numbers. As you can see with this brand, from the 1st to the 13th, we've made pretty much 42,000, and if you convert it to dollars, this is around like $52,000. So we actually know our share. And if you check, we grew the SMS list by like 46,000 people in the last 30 days. 46,000 people in the last 30 days. So the first you gotta do is find a platform where you're going to do the SMS. It can be Postscripts, it can be Omnisend, it can be Klaviyo. A lot of people use Postscripts for SMS marketing, but I like Omnisend and Klaviyo. Just number one, they have more sign-up forms and they have more templates. And I usually like doing email and SMS marketing at the same time too, just because I work with like higher level brands and mid-level brands and like small scale brands. So it just gets easier for me. In this video, we're going to be using Postscripts. So the first you gotta do is set up a sign-up form. What is a sign-up form? Sign-up form is where you collect information, where you collect your customers' information, where you collect the SMS subscribers. As you can see, these are some examples of like good sign-up forms. Black Friday, sign up for early access, the biggest sale in the history of our brand. 5 days, like this is the timer that we added, and then this. And this is a good sign-up form to get early access and exclusive discounts up to 25% off. This converts like crazy. Early access, first you're going to get early access, and then the second thing is exclusive discounts. Your discounts are exclusive and then up to 25% off. So this is just us incentivizing the customers, telling them what they're going to get if they sign up to our SMS list. So the number one way you can get people in your SMS list is giving them value, thinking making them think they're going to get value if they join your SMS list, making them feel it's exclusive and they're going to be part of something exclusive. So number one thing, you set up the sign up form, and then the second thing after you set up the sign up form is ask yourself, where am I going to get traffic? Where am I going to get traffic? Because imagine you have a sign up form and nobody is going to your website, nobody is signing up. So ask yourself, where am I going to get traffic? Where am I going to get people that are going to sign up? You can get traffic through posting organically 3 to 4 videos every single day on Instagram and on TikTok, 3 to 4 reels every single day. Another way you can get sign up SMS subscribers is through paid ads. I have done a video on how you can set up lead gen ads for SMS subscribers. Like paid ads, number one, they are very good for SMS subscribers too. But if you're looking for a method to get good SMS subscribers without spending a single dollar, the best way to go for is organic. But I really like lead gen ads. So now you have the sign up form and you know how to get traffic. You like know how to get people to sign up. So let's say you have like a few people on your stuff. As you can see, this brand, we have almost 100,000 subscribers in our stuff. So all right, so now you have traffic on your website and people are signing up to your sign up form. So you have collected a few SMS subscribers. It's drop day now and you are going to drop. If you don't know, the main reason of collecting SMS subscribers is like when you're hyping up the drop, you collect their information, and then you're going to gather like people's information throughout typing out the drop. Your website is going to be password protected, and then on drop day your goal is to blast out a message to them. So I'm going to teach you how to do that exactly. So you come on Postscripts and then you click on messaging, and then it's going to bring you right over here to campaigns. You're going to click on create campaign, and then we are going to click on create a standard campaign. All right, so this is how I usually send out my SMS messages. So the first thing you're gonna do is segment. Choose a segment. So the segment, you should just go for all customers and subscribers, international included. Like you should always go for this. So this is going to go ahead and like target all the people in your SMS list. So you click on that, and then this is how my shit looks. So this is the message I have. It's time. The way I carry collections out now, crafted with story plus detail. Bro, this shit printed like fucking crazy. So the way I carry collection is out now, crafted with story plus detail. Use code WAIT for 15% off. We gave them a 15% off. We gave them value, so they're going to go and buy that shit. 15% off is good, bro. So you just add the link, shop now, and you put in the website link. And also you should always have a picture. You should always have like a very good aesthetic picture. That's basically how to send a SMS. If you want me to make a more in detail video on how to do SMS marketing, literally with automations and literally setting up everything myself, just hit me up on IG for you. And if you're wondering what I do, I have a marketing agency called Flows Marketing, where we basically take clothing brands of at all scale or any type of e-com brand, and we scale them using paid ads, SMS marketing, like literally everything, the backend website optimization. We take care of the whole backend of the brand, to everything the brand needs to succeed. We take care of that. So if you want to work with us, just apply in the link below, and then we'll hop on a call and see if you can even scale your brand.